Hello, children. In today's class, from the chapter Playing with Numbers, we are going to learn the relationship between LCM, HCF, and the given two numbers. So, the relation between LCM, HCF, and the two numbers can be given by the formula product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So, if A and B are any two numbers, then the relation between the two numbers and LCM and HCF can be given as A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. That means if we multiply the given two numbers, the answer should be equal to the product of the LCM and HCF of those two numbers. So let us take an example. I am taking 8 and 12. So first we will find the HCF of 12. So factors of 8 is equal to, what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. The factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So here in this, what is the highest common factor? The highest common factor is 4, right? So HCF is equal to 4. Now we will find the LCM. 8, 12. So we will find the LCM. I'm taking 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 3 here. Next 3 table. 1 and 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what is LCM? LCM is equal to 24. So now we have to check this formula. A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So what are the two numbers here? 8 and 2. That means 8 into 12 is equal to 4. LCM is 4 and HCF is 24. So 12 eights are 96. 24 into 4 is equal to 96. So this formula we got LHS is equal to RHS. So this formula is correct. Now we will do few problem on this relation between LCM and HCF of two numbers. Here the question is, the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 15 and 450 respectively. That means given LCM is equal to 15. They have given LCM as 15. And HCF is equal to 450. If one of the number is 75, what is the other? So they have given one number and they did not give the other number. We have to find that other number. So let A is equal to 75. And we should find the value of B. B is equal to how much? So we have the formula. What is the formula? Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. That means A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So A into B, what is the value of A? 75. B we should find. And what is the value of LCM? LCM they have given as 15. And HCF 450. Now we need to find the value of B. So here I want only the value of B. I'll send this 75 to that side. Here the 75 it is multiplying. If I send this 75 to that side, then it will be dividing. 15 into 450 by 75. Right? So now we will cancel it. 15 ones are 15 fives are 75. Right? Now again 5 ones are 5 nines are 45. 5 zeros are 0. So the value of B is equal to 90. Right? If we want to check, we can check by using this equation. We have the value of A and B and we have LCM and also HCF. So we can, if we want to check, we can substitute the value of A and B in this equation and also LCM and HCF and we can check. So in this way, we can find the value of other number when one number is given using this formula. I hope you all understood. Thank you.